Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll show you how to track an order on Depop. Alright, the first thing you want to do to navigate this is to head over to your Depop platform. Alright, go to your Google Chrome browser and then type in depop.com and to bring up this page where you can navigate either signing up on Depop or logging in if you don't already have an account. If you don't have an account, ensure that you go through all the sign-in process to take you to the Depop platform. Make sure that you have your email address, your passwords, and all the information needed, your username, and all of that to ensure that you're properly signed in. And after having signed in, it will take you to your Depop home page, which is something like this. Now, to show you how to track an order on Depop, first of all, after getting logged in, head over to your profile. All right, the profile icon, which is at the top right over here. Click on it, and it will take you through a list of options. Click on purchases, which is the third option on this list. All right, after clicking on that, it will take you to the next page where you would see a list of your purchases. So if I had made purchases already, you would see my purchases over here. Now, having done that, click on the specific order you want to track. All right, and then choose where is my package to see the tracking status. Now, if you have a tracking number but the Depop tracking app isn't updating, you can choose to copy it and track directly on the carrier's own website. Now, you can use also a third-party tracking service that lets you enter a Depop tracking number and see the status of your tracking item across carriers network. So do well to follow through this process to learn how to track your products. Remember, head over to your icon, which is at the top over here. Click on purchases to take you to this page, and on this page you will see the particular item you want to track. And having done that, ensure you click on where is my package and then use your tracking number to track your item. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've learned how to track an order on Depop, and I hope it was seamless for you. Until next time, bye for now.